Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chemistry Basics. Today we are going to see a very important reaction, Claisen reaction. So let's see what is Claisen reaction. So Claisen reaction consists of two ester molecules which containing at least two alpha hydrogen atom in basic medium undergo condensation reaction to form a beta ketoester. So you have to take the two ester molecules which should have at least two alpha hydrogen atom. Basic medium should be there, so you can use the sodium methoxide any base. So it will undergo the self condensation reaction to form a beta ketoester. Okay, so let's see how it's going. Let's take one example of this. So suppose we have ethyl acetate, that's the ester molecule. So two ester molecules I have taken. So now here the condensation will take place. So ethanol molecule will be eliminated. So OC2H5OH from one molecule and hydrogen from the other. So ethanol molecule is eliminated and the condensation will take place. So this particular acetyl group will join to CH2 of the first molecule and you are getting the product ethyl acetoacetate. Okay. So let's see the mechanism of this reaction. So in first step, the ethyl acetate molecule having acidic alpha hydrogen that is abstracted by a base to form a carbanion, and this carbanion is well stabilized by enolate ion. Now this enolate ion attacks on the second mole of ethyl acetate to form this particular alkoxide ion, in which when this negative charge revert back, so ethoxide ion is eliminated as it's a very good leaving group and you are getting a ethyl acetoacetate. Now this ethyl acetoacetate is a very reactive. If you have a basic medium, so again this OET minus, so that will attacks on the carbonyl group and the reaction will go reverse. So that's why there should be a one extra alpha hydrogen here which will convert that particular ethyl acetate into a stable carbanion. So this carbanion is stable because it will have this resonance stability here. Now this will not go into the backward reaction definitely, and that's why the that two alpha hydrogen should be present for the Claisen ester condensation reaction. Now let's see the other examples also. Suppose we have this ethyl benzoate and ethyl acetate. So you are getting a ethyl benzoyl acetate here. Similarly, ethyl formate and ethyl acetate will give you ethyl formyl acetate, ethyl carbonate and ethyl acetate. That's the very good method for preparation of the diethyl So these all reactions we have seen, all are the examples of crossed Claisen condensation reaction, because if you see here, all are different molecules we have used, and in previous we have used the same molecule, that is ethyl acetate, but here different molecules used, and that's why the reaction is crossed Claisen condensation reaction. So all of you are getting what is Claisen ester condensation reaction. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time.